This is Dr. Daniel Paul, orthopedic surgeon with Easy Orthopedics, and today we're going to talk about how long does it take for Baker's cyst to go away. If you like this video, we put out new content weekly, so please like and subscribe. So Baker's cyst. Baker's cyst is a cyst in the back of your knee, and what it basically is the knee is surrounded by a capsule, and the weakest part of that capsule is in the back. So when you get fluid in your knee and it's too much pressure, it's got to go somewhere, and for some people it goes out the back and creates this sort of cyst. It almost feels like something is like a ball is in the back of your knee. And a lot of people get fixated on this. So how long does it take for it to go away? And the answer is that it depends, which I know is probably not the answer you want. So there's something inside the knee joint that's causing that fluid to accumulate. So it depends on what that is. If you just banged your knee and the cartilage got injured and it dumped some fluid, but everything is otherwise okay, it'll probably go away in a matter of weeks. If it's just some chronic issue where your knee is constantly getting inflamed, then it could persist indefinitely. No one's really removing these cysts. Sometimes if it's particularly bothering someone, I'll use my ultrasound and I'll draw fluid off of it. I did have one patient who drains his own Baker's cyst. I would not recommend that because there's a giant artery back there called the popliteal artery, and you don't want to hit that, which is why I use ultrasound. But for the most part, most people just kind of live with them. If you end up having, if you take care of the underlying knee problem, they usually go away as there's less fluid in the knee. So sometimes people have bad ones and they have arthritis, they get a knee replacement and the cyst sort of goes away. Or they have some meniscal tear, some sort of ligament injury, and that gets kind of fixed up and the cyst goes away. So it just depends on what's going on in your knee. So from a few weeks it can go away to basically indefinitely and never go away. So I hope I was able to answer your questions about how long it takes for a Baker's cyst to go away. If you have any questions I didn't answer, feel free to leave them in the comments below and I'll do my best to respond. But I can't give you any specific medical advice because this video and all my videos are for educational purposes only. Thanks for watching.